0273, State versus Christopher William Morrell.
Your Honor, that's my client, and if I may approach the bench after the docket, please.
Okay, Counselor, thank you. 2025 CR 00397, State versus Daniel James Kupala.
That's been reset, Your Honor. The attorney's in the 290 and the jury trial.
Okay. 2025 CR 0494, State versus Joshua Thomas Bazar. Joshua Thomas Bazar.
Attorney's running late.
Okay, bond forfeiture. 2023 CR 2644, State versus Reynaldo Alejandro Blanchard. Reynaldo Alejandro Blanchard.
No call.
Okay, bond forfeiture. 2023 CR 5524, State versus Jesse Anthony Favela IV. Jesse Anthony Favela IV.
No
Okay,
call.
bond forfeiture. 2023 CR 6226-02, State versus Javon and Tone Hardaway.
That's our trial.
Okay, that's the jury trial. 2024 CR 1125, State versus Serenity Raylene Banda. Serenity Raylene Banda.
Attorney's out on medical leave.
Okay, bond forfeiture. And 2024 CR 6306, State versus Lorenzo Rios. Lorenzo, jail.
Attorney's running late.
Okay, that's a docket. Now to the lawyers, we're beginning a jury trial at 10. So whatever you all might be able to work out, if you could do it by then, you all may confer now, okay? Thank you.
May I approach your Honor?
Yes, sir. Okay, who was your guy?
Morel, I think the second or third page.
Okay, yes.
Judge, my client has been
Is
given.
there anyone's name who's not called, you believe you have court today? All right, I'll give you
He's
a
in
few seconds.
palliative care. He's in Temple right now for treatment. And he has an appointment now. He's been there since yesterday. Yes, well, the letter says he has cancer.
Cancer. Now, is he hospitalized or what?
It's just kind of like hospice. Yes, sir, it's hospice.
Okay, then we'll go ahead and.
And the
do-
state is going to talk to the complaining witness to see if they're willing to, if he's willing, he or she's willing to dismiss the case.
Okay. Who did you talk to on the state side? So this gentleman has cancer?
Yes, it does appear based on that representation in the letter that he's dying.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and do let's do a 60-day reset, that way you don't have to be coming back and
Yeah,
see where it goes.
I'm gonna reach out to the complainant, let them know the situation. I'll probably be dismissing it ahead of time, but I just want to let the complainant know what's going on.
Okay, 60-day reset.
Let me give you a receipt.
Thank you, Gloria. Thank you, Your Honor.
And then do you want to put the Hunt case on the record too, Judge Bowman?
Can you get Terrell out here? Hey, on Hunt, we need to put on the record that he's waiving the speedy trial. Otherwise, it's on file.
Yeah, I told him.
It looks
Yeah.
like I just let it go.
Yeah, because I think we're actually set, like on the 24th or something, and with
That
the-
was the setting for this.
Yeah, with the insanity, we want to push everything back.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning, how are you?
Yes, thank you.
Good.
Thank you. On the docket or? Yes, on the docket.
Sir. Rios, have a seat in that back.
Hey, we need to address the
jury situation.
two jurors. Is Leland here?
No.
We picked the jury yesterday, right off the bat, as soon as they were walking back, two jurors, like, we can't serve for X number of reasons.
I gotta hate when they do that.
Luckily, we have two alternates, so we might lose the two alternates before the jury starts.
Good way to
We
start.
will finish guilt innocence today. So if we just have the 12 people here, it'll be fine.
Okay, we're gonna go on, it's not on the docket.
Do you need a reset or? No. See, I don't have an email for you.
Is the motion for speedy trial in here? No? Did you include the motion for speedy trial on Hunt? Okay, that's fine.
It should be attached.
Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Okay, we're gonna go on the record.
Quiet, please. We'll be going on the record. Quiet.
Okay, Gloria, we're going on the record. So, 2022 CR 8648, State versus DeAndre Eugene Hunt. Will the lawyers please identify themselves for the record?
Neil Cordero for the state of Texas.
Robert Maurer for defendant.
Okay, Counselor, I'll note that your client is not present for the purposes of this hearing. Are you waiving this appearance?
I am Judge.
Okay, now, today you presented me with some motions for an insanity evaluation, is that correct?
Correct.
And I signed it, so the defendant is going to be examined for insanity, and the state is aware of that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, in addition, you had previously filed a motion to dismiss for speedy trial, and so I just need to know what you want to do with that motion.
Judge, I'm gonna, I guess, hold that motion in abeyance pending the results of the sanity evaluation. Obviously, my client's been incarcerated for some time. He was deemed competent back in '23, but the attorney who was on it before me disappeared. So based upon the facts that Neil and I discussed, we're going to have an insanity evaluation done by Dr. De La Torre, the doctor we used on the McWilliams case, to make a determination if we need to move forward or what the next step will be.
Okay, what I'll do is, for now, in light of the fact that we're moving along with the case, I'm going to deny this motion. And if you have to, if the case gets further delayed by the state, then you can file another one, and then we'll hear that one, okay?
Will do. All right, thank you,
So the
Judge.
motion for speedy trial is denied on that basis, and so that closes the record on this case, okay?
And I don't know if you want to leave him on the docket for the 24th just for a conferring status?
fine.
Just leave him on the docket.
Okay.
We'll do.
Could you give me that information so I can send it all to you? I have to show.
Do we have a key ready? No, but what about the jurors?
I haven't had a chance to go check on them.
You're the only one
As
here.
soon as we finish that,
We gotta wait.
hearing-
We gotta wait for the lawyer anyway.
then I'll go pop my head back there and see, because it's still a little early.
Yeah, it's still early, so. Where's Sunil? No, here, sorry. I was calling the DA, sorry.
Just be careful, you don't want to.
I know. Hey, can you get Leland here because of the juror issue?
I can try.
Okay, we'll do. And on the other matter, he's on the way?
Yes. There's going to be a brief at the door, and then he's there.
Okay. You said there's nothing ready, right? All right, I'll be back then.
I don't know. I'm sure they are. I would. That's true. That's true. reserve the conference room. Once we're done, you can go over there when they're bringing the jury. Thank you.
Mr. Rios.
What KBD are they? But I'm gonna include you on the email, because I want you to know.
Lorenzo,
Hearing.
are you familiar with these stipulations? Everything's
Yeah.
tracked to the best you
That's fine.
That
But I'm gonna
is,
include you on my email. Okay?
that is,
That's okay. I don't think
are you
they're
also familiar with these
but they're also
stipulations?
working on
The party
charting
has
as well.
like a constitutional right to action.
Because I think
Is your desire to waive your right to a jury trial?
But yes, I'm gonna include you in my email.
Thank you. This is legal, that is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just say it right there.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand on the house, you can record it.
Already on it. All right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, because I know I changed some of them. Okay, but then I probably didn't hit save, or I took her off, hit save. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna send this to you. Yes, please. Yes, thank you. Hi, good morning. This is Gloria. I'm coming from the 437 District Court. Perfect, thank you. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're already on the case, and we're already on Gilmore, but I'm waiting for Carol to come up. Okay, I'm just waiting for her to come up. Yes. We'll do that one first. Okay, all right. Yes. Ready? Yes. Everything, yeah, she has everything for you up there. All right, bye-bye. You have everything for Simpson up there?
Let's see. You ready, Carol? I'm sorry? Yeah, we're gonna do Simpson, so is he present?
Present.
Yeah, okay, why don't we, let me, go ahead and bring him out. So the lawyer's ready on Simpson? Okay, let's see,
Quiet, please, will be on the record.
2024 CR 012094, 2024 CR 012095, and 2024 CR 12097. So, will the lawyers please, State of Texas versus Brad Chandler Simpson, will the lawyers please identify themselves for the record?
Casey Sandoval for the state of Texas.
Stephen Gilmore for Mr. Simpson.
Okay, and sir, are you Brad Chandler Simpson?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we had this case originally set for today, I thought for the motion to quash, but it's my understanding that we're not going to argue that today, correct?
So, yes, Judge, so discovery is not yet complete, and I'd like to have all or nearly all of the evidence before proceeding to that particular hearing.
Correct. Okay, now, the other reason for this type of hearing is just to make sure where are we on discovery, that the defense is getting discovery in a timely fashion. What can the state say about that?
Yes, Judge. I provided about a terabyte or so of data to Mr. Gilmore, and I've got more to give to him today. I got a new drive to copy some things. I expect first a draft of discovery from Olmos Park tomorrow, finalizing their discovery. The Rangers are actively working on theirs. There is some outstanding forensic testing being done that we're still waiting on results back, but I expect in the next 2 weeks or so we should be getting close to a final draft of discovery.
Okay, and counsel, anything you need to add on that as far as receiving discovery?
I mean, the Texas Rangers dropped off a chunk of discovery to the state just before the new year, and it had turned out that they had given the state all of the original copies of that discovery. And so the state had to transmit that discovery back to the Texas Rangers for duplication. I don't really know why the Rangers have taken almost 2 months to duplicate that stuff for us, but I don't have that. I just want to reiterate that we filed a assertion of defendant's right to speedy trial back on November 14th. So I am looking to get this case in front of a jury as quickly as possible.
Okay, and state, I guess you're exercising your due diligence in trying to get the Texas Rangers to give you that?
Oh, we are, Judge. I asked for those to be copied. It is quite a lot. We're looking at between 5 and 10 terabytes finally of data. So they're working on finishing supplements, and they should get that back hopefully within the next week or two.
Okay, well, that is a lot of information, counsel, so I'm going to give them some leeway on that, and plus you need it.
Understood, Judge.
regardless. So, does the defense have any other motions that have been filed other than the motion to quash that we're not going to hear today?
No, Judge.
Okay, so with that in mind, in light of the fact that you're getting this discovery right now, there's no sense in coming back in 30 days. Let's do you all want 60 days or 90 days?
It's up to the court.
I'm fine to come back in 30, Judge.
Okay, well, I'll leave it up to you. So we'll reset it for 30 days just to make sure that things are moving along, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
So we set 30 days and give them the dates, and then we'll see you here then. Okay?
Thanks, Judge.
Thank
May we
you
be
very much.
excused?
Yes, you're excused.
Appreciate you.
And I'm gonna put it under discovery. Stacy? I don't know how much more we're gonna, my grandkids, you know, like, I don't tell my.
12 is fine.
3:12? Okay. I'll hear from you, and I'll leave it at this.